Hello, everyone. This is Jamaican singer, songwriter, poet, general writer Sean C. Harrison from my parish of St. Thomas in the easternmost end of this beautiful island. I would like to sing for you today a James Ingram classic that's entitled No Easy Way to Break Somebody's Heart. And I would like to dedicate it to all my true friends from back in high school. When and where I used to love to sing this song, and I know you loved hearing it from me. I want to just give a shout out to all my true friends who made me feel so special and loved right there at Morby High School. Hello, Mrs. Marjorie Jackson. Thank you, my teacher, the wind beneath my wings from first form. Thank you for having been there for me so long. Thank you, Reverend Mia Gordon. Thank you, Miss English. Thank you, Mrs. Francis. Thank you, all the persons who buoyed me up and made a difficult life there a little bit easier for me. This is for you. I held her close to me, 'cause I knew she'd break so easily. And then I told her, and I knew no matter how I tried to console her, she'd just do the best she could. But there are times your best is no damned good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there is always still a part of you leave behind. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Ooh, I lied and told her she'd be fine, but we both knew it was just a line. I had to do it. I'd have said anything to help me get through it. Then she reached out for my hand, and a simple touch was more than I could stand. Then I had to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She could have gotten angry and made me feel like a guilty child, but I realized that never was her style. I wanted her to hurt me and not treat me like a friend. I wanted her to say that be someday I'd be crawling on my knees to ask her back again. But she acted like a lady to the end. Whoa, what a lady. Oh yeah. I thought that she'd break down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. Then I guess she understood in a way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's, just no easy way to break. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Yeah, yeah. There's there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Thank you so much.